Hidden within the rolling plains of England lies one of the world's most iconic and enigmatic ancient structures, Stonehenge. But what if we told you that the Stonehenge we see today is not entirely the same as the one our ancestors gazed upon? Prepare to embark on a journey through time, revealing a century-long makeover that transformed Stonehenge into what some have called a product of the 20th century heritage industry. Intriguingly, from 1901 to 1964, Stonehenge underwent a series of restorations that dramatically altered its appearance. It's a tale of meticulous preservation, controversial decisions, and the eternal quest to safeguard this ancient marvel. Imagine standing amidst the ancient stones and noticing something unusual: a cladding exterior over one of the massive standing stones. Yes, you heard that right. Stonehenge, in its 20th century avatar, was fortified with concrete and cladding to ensure its preservation. The first chapter in this epic restoration saga unfolded in 1901. A leaning stone, perhaps on the brink of tumbling down, was straightened and firmly embedded in concrete, ensuring its stability for generations to come. The 1920s arrived with more ambitious plans for Stonehenge. Under the vigilant eye of Colonel William Hawley, a distinguished member of the Stonehenge Society, the restoration project took a more drastic turn. 6 monumental stones were carefully uprooted and repositioned in a bid to restore the circle to its former glory. Fast forward to 1958, and cranes were summoned to the sacred grounds to reposition 3 more stones. One colossal fallen lintel, a cross stone of immense significance, was replaced with meticulous precision. But the most significant transformation took place in 1964 when 4 stones were repositioned, safeguarding them against any imminent collapse. As we delve deeper into this captivating tale, we encounter the poignant chapter of the 1920s restoration. Christopher Chippendale of the Cambridge University Museum of Archaeology and Anthropology describes it as the most vigorous phase, with a tinge of sadness. The work during this period, under Colonel William Crawley, remains etched in history as a controversial and consequential endeavor. As we stand before Stonehenge today, we are faced with a question that resonates through time. What is the true essence of this ancient wonder? Is it a timeless monument to our ancestors' wisdom, or has it evolved into a product of the 20th century heritage industry? The story of Stonehenge's restoration is a testament to our enduring fascination with the past, our commitment to preserving history, and the delicate balance between conservation and transformation.